Hello, welcome back. I haven't been able to travel today because I had a tough schedule. So today I'm going to get my healthy activity in by walking all the way around this mall. Even though there's, a lot of empty places in it, I'm going to walk around the outside of it. So let's get some steps in. And as I'm passing MCHC, please hit that like button. Please subscribe because I post every day. Come get healthy with me. You be my inspiration. I'll be yours. I hope it don't start raining. There were some horrible storms earlier today. El Chorrito. Gosh, it smells good outside of El Chorrito. And we got the Dollar Tree. Or now I guess it's the $1.25 tree. There we got an empty space. That used to be Magic Mart way back in the day. Yeah, I'm that old. Gosh, look at those mountains back there. They're calling my name. But another thing here in Harlan. Why is there no place to hike? Like, look at that. That would make for some great trails. We're coming up on the main entrance to the mall. But we've been in there. I'm not going back in. Let me continue my walk. Subway. A friend and I had a little joke. Inside joke, I guess you would say. Calling it the French restaurant Subway. There is the Luxe Beauty Bar. You can go in there and get beautified. And down here is where Belk's used to be. Signage still on the door. Look at that tree. That is one of the prettiest trees. Those leaves, they are gorgeous. Over there is the National Guard Armory, the bank, and we've already walked from down there at the Goodwill all the way up this way. So now we're going around the backside. There are some offices. Looks like Baker Direct Medical Care. And if I'm not mistaken, the Humane Society has an office down here somewhere. I've got to go over here and show you the river. They keep it pretty clean on this side. It has rained today, so yeah, the water looks muddy. You can tell the water's up a little bit, but there's not a lot of trash over on this side and up that way. They do keep it clean. Oh, I remember when I was little, in this mall we had Kmart, we had Magic Mart, we had Belk's, we had a store called Fair Anna's, we had Movies to Go, we had a little restaurant called the Boardroom. Yeah, we had a lot of good stuff. We had a pharmacy called Super X. Oh yeah, we also had a Kroger. Somebody looks like they've lost some clothes over there near the river. I see the golden arches down there. Oh, the sun's starting to come out. Maybe it won't storm anymore. Right now I'm behind El Chorrito and I can smell it. Gosh, it smells so good. And I do not know what I'm having for dinner today. No clue, but I'm still going for something healthy. And there's McDonald's. So we're going to turn the corner, go back up this way, and we'll end where we began, at the corner there next to the Goodwill. Donation drive-through. The Big Lots sign is still there, sharing with the Dollar Tree, but Big Lots is gone. And here we are. We are back where we started. This is kind of a short one today, so yep. But anyway, got a little exercise in. But now let's go find something healthy to eat. Hey, give me a like. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Let's get healthy together. Bye.